And where's Mr. Buzz?
Right there.
And Mr. Joe Montenegro got to come up.
Joe.
Joe. All right. So, guys, these people are the ones. There's a lot of people here that help out. Miss Alexa, come on up too, Miss Alexa. And Mr. Fisher hiding over there. Then the undersheriff, come on up. Con Edison too, come on. Con Edison. And then George, come up, George. Where's the best Solis? Come on, this is the man from IBC. Eric, come up. Come up. Megan. Come up. All these people were very, very helpful. They love doing this every year. So can we give them a big thank you when I count to 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alex. Thank you all so much for being here. It means the world to all of us to do this. We didn't get to do it last year, but I think we're back to do it for a few more years, so I'm so glad you all could be here. Alex wanted me to thank the sponsors, and so I'm going to see if I can remember. If I forget anybody, somebody help me out. So, Con Edison, Curtis is here representing Con Edison. Slingshot Public Affairs, Buzz, right here. Joe Montenegro, right here. My company, Sunrise Strategies Group, and my client, LeConte Energy Storage. We also have Tom DeBose and Steve the Benson and Jameson families, Charter Communications. And NGIV2, KP Environmental. So we are so happy to do this. We've been doing it for years. And I want to give a special thank you to Alex and all of Alex's amazing staff.
Norma.
And
So we have Alex, Norma, Jeanette, and Megan in the back over there. Thank you guys. Can we give them a round of applause? Oh, yeah. Mr. Chuck Fisher and George Martez.
So we all just want you guys to have a wonderful time at the rodeo. Enjoy yourselves. And we'll see you again next year.
Yeah, you guys want to come next year? Yeah. Let's let the undersheriff close this out real quick. What do you want to tell these kids?
Enjoy. Be safe. Enjoy the cattle call. We'll see you next year.
All right.
Anybody want to go?